We are from Ramcom, the Commerce Society of Ramanujan College.
Everyone, I'm Manvi Pawar. I do it for my passion. I do it because I love dancing. People text me saying that you are my inspiration.
Oh.
So I पता विक्की कौशल ने बोला था कौन सी
It's
movie
not from
थी?
Tawa Tawa.
Once I was standing on Kashmiri Gate waiting for metro. There was this girl behind me, and my best friend is like, she's staring at you.
Tell me how it was.
It was great.
It was a dialogue. Hello everyone, I'm Mayank Tiwari
I'm Charchita Das.
and we are from Ramcom, the Commerce Society of Ramanujan College. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to the behind the scenes look of Ramcom. We have an incredible guest with us today who is storming the world of dance. From first inspirational videos to new age dance tutorials, she has blended her passion with innovation and perhaps gives new perspective to dance move. So, without any further ado, let's give a warm welcome to Manvi Pawar, a student of Motilal Nehru College, University of Delhi. Manvi, to kick things off, could you please start giving by your introduction to our audience?
Hi everyone, I'm Manvi Pawar. I'm a content creator and I'm also a student. I'm currently pursuing BCom Honors from Motilal Nehru College, University of Delhi, and I'm a third year student. I've been doing content creation since past 4 years, and I started with dance videos, and now I'm currently also doing lifestyle, fashion, and other related videos. And I'm very excited to be here.
First sparked your passion and dance in content creation, and how have your interest evolved over time?
Okay, so in school, I used to dance, but I never got the chance to perform on stage or something. Then when the lockdown came, so I was like, there was a dancer, an influencer right now. So I saw her YouTube videos, and I was like, okay, so let's just try giving it a shot. So I learned that choreography and I uploaded it on Instagram. I always used to love clicking pictures and everything. So then I convinced my mom that no, it's fine. Let's just make my ID public and everything. So she was a little skeptical because obviously content creation wasn't, a well-known career at that point of time. Then slowly and gradually, I started posting more dance videos. Then 1 year later, Reels was introduced. So then I started posting Reels, and it just happened. I didn't plan to become a content creator. I just wanted to, if you're dancing, if you're doing something, then you want to just post it somewhere. Because what are you gonna do just making videos? So it just happened, and everything was just,
And it's going good.
yeah.
So, could you share the story behind your first dance video or project?
So actually, whosoever that influencer was, she's Nidhi Kumar. She's a UAE based influencer. So she posted a video that she will post a compilation cover of all the covers that will be posted on this choreography. So I was like, okay, let's just do it. I will be in the compilation then. So I learned that video and I shot it on my terrace as always. And that compilation never actually happened, but that just kickstarted my career in this. So that's how
Okay.
it was the first video.
Okay, so nowadays people used to say like the market of content creation is getting saturated day by day. So how maintain yourself to be motivated and be inspired to upload content every day?
Okay, so yeah, it's true that there are so many content creators these days. Like everybody wants to become a content creator because now it's a well-known career, and it also pays you good. So you get to do something that you love and also earn from it. So matlab, there are days when I feel like I should just stop, but then I remember that I do it for my passion. I do it because I love dancing. So it definitely gets a little demotivating, when you don't get the reach and everything. But then at the end of the day, अब start किया है, so you have to do it.
So how do you balance yourself from following the current dance trends and like doing your own things, just like your one of your own dance kid under Dolna, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
So if I just post dance trends, then why will people follow me? Because everybody's doing that these days. So I do need to have some originality, people to follow me or for people to like me. So I just keep it like most of the times the proper dance videos don't get the reach as much as the trending reels do. So for the reach, I do the trending reels, and for my account to maintain the originality, I do my own choreography.
That's great. And about like you created your own choreography for Dholna. So like how has been the response been?
So I just randomly, made that choreography. I didn't have anything in mind. And then I shot it, but it blew up in like a single day. It was overnight 100K views, and then everybody started recreating it. So slowly and gradually it became a trend. So like a lot of people did it, and still they are doing it. So I really
That's
like
great,
it.
actually. And how have you seen your content evolve over time?
So starting May, I didn't have an iPhone, so I used to take my father's iPhone, shoot my videos, and then send it to myself and then post it. Then I was like that, okay, I'll score this much marks. Then you give me an iPhone. So I scored very well in 12th, so I got my iPhone. And when you just start doing it, so you learn things slowly and gradually. You will see people doing it, so you will just try it. You will see YouTube videos of editing. I mean, I still have a lot to learn, but slowly and gradually I just watch YouTube videos and everything, and I try to implement all of those things.
Okay, so since you have mentioned that you have gained 100K views over the night, so there might be some sort of criticism you must have faced in that video. Maybe, you may be receiving it throughout the time, and there are like certain other types of challenges a content creator face. So, like, how would you address this thing, and how you deal with criticism particularly?
See, if you are putting yourself out there, people will hate you. Some people will like you, but there will be definitely some people who will hate you.
Yeah.
So I don't give that thing much attention. I simply delete the hate comments. I mean, I see people usually reply to it, but there's no point. You just, एक argument होगा, 10 argument हो गए, 10 लोग reply करेंगे. There's no point. So मैं अपनी mental peace के लिए I just simply delete those comments.
And what are the other challenges you like see ki a content creator if comes to a market right now or is already like doing well in market just like you? So what type of other challenges he or she can face right now?
See, if as nowadays there's a lot of competition. So firstly, बहुत you will see that काफ़ी ऐसी फालतू रील्स को बहुत सारे views मिल जाते हैं.
Hmm.
So if you are not getting a proper reach, brands may not reach out to you. So you need to have like a consistent reels wala wo. And because every day there are new influencers and content creators coming in, so you have to put out new content to keep your audience engaged. Because if you're just posting the same content throughout, they will get bored of it and you won't get the reach. And apart from that, most of the influencers account got disabled recently. I mean, it has been happening for the last 2 years, I guess. So my account also got disabled for like 1.5 months. So after the account comes back, your reach is zero. So you have to start. Okay, it might take 6 to 7 months to get back to that reach what the account was getting. So that is a very difficult part to like maintain the reach and engagement on the account.
What feeling did you had when that happened?
I had my NSEM exams and I was like, what am I gonna do?
It's
So
like a
firstly I was very disturbed उस चीज से. But then I got like I was like अब तो कुछ है नहीं अब पढ़ना ही
पढ़ना ही
पड़ेगा.
पड़ेगा.
somewhere between Great Depression.
बीकॉम ही कर लेते.
अब यही option है.
And like, how supportive was your family when you first entered this profession?
Starting में they thought that okay normal है videos डालना. Then when I started putting out more videos, obviously थोड़ा hate मिलता है. ठीक है, I never blocked my parents because अब उन्हें पता है अब देख तो रहे हैं ही लोग. So मेरी mom ने एक बार थोड़े comments पढ़े थे, so she was like नहीं करना ये सब अब छोड़ दो. I was like नहीं मैं तो करूँगी, I have to do it. तो तब तो मैंने थोड़ा लड़ाई वगैरह करके 1-1.5 साल तक थोड़ा चला लिया था. Then उसके बाद when they themselves saw कि she's doing good, I mean I don't ask for money from my parents. I can handle all of my expenses myself. I also started gifting them things. Then मेरे कुछ relatives they were like ये तो बहुत अच्छा dance करती है and everything. तो जब उन्हें दिख रहा था that she's doing good and her cheese is okay, they follow me, they know everything, so they were like fine with it.
You're actually gifting them, so like, और क्या चाहिए?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And how did you balance your college life and you being in this content creator field?
So in my first year, I joined my dance society, college की. But dance society is like very hectic. सुबह से शाम तक practice, and then I also have to travel for 2 hours. तो उसमें I did not get any time for my content. It was just Saturdays and Sundays when I could just shoot and post. So I did that in my first year. Then I left second year में because it was getting मैं एक ही चीज़ पे फोकस कर सकती हूँ, या तो इट विल बी द डांस सोसाइटी और दिस. So then I left it because obviously I had to focus on this.
Obviously.
And about the studies, obviously कोई पूरे साल तो नहीं पढ़ता एग्जाम से पहले. I used to study as I
Due.
used to get exactly.
Okay, so if you have to like tell some or give a sort of advice to a content creator who wants to like enter into the market, like someone who is like in the third year, like you and me, and he wants to get into the market. So what type of tips you would like, advise him prior to getting into the market? And
See, when you are starting your career in this, you need to experiment. That what content will work out the best for you. I started with dance, so it just worked out for me. But you need to just experiment. Starting में obviously you won't get the reach एक दिन ही post करके. You need to be consistent. Consistency is I guess the key. एक दिन तो you will get the views. एक ना एक दिन तो you just get
consistency is
famous.
key in every field. Like if you are even studying, you need to consistently
Exactly.
study and do everything.
मतलब गिव अप नहीं करना है बस.
हाँ, exactly.
You have to do it every day. So, have you ever had any fan moment till now?
Yeah, quite
Yeah.
a few.
So, how's your experience? If you like share
I
one
can
of us.
see her from the face. Like, खुशी.
So, एक दिन I was just coming back home. So there was this girl. She was sitting मेरी metro में मतलब सामने मेरे, and she was continuously staring, and I was like, what is wrong? Am I looking bad or something? Then when I was coming back home, so she came वो same auto में, and she's sitting मेरे side में. She's like, are you Manvi? I'm like, yes. She's like, I follow you, and turns out that she lives very nearby my house. So that was one. Then I was just coming back from college. So the INA metro station. I was just walking and I saw that there is someone walking beside me. And I thought that maybe he just wants to say something. So मैंने अपना earphone निकाला. People usually ask कि कौन सी metro कहाँ जाती है.
हाँ.
That thing. He's like, are you Manvi? I follow you. And I'm like, how to respond to this? I am happy, but what do I say? So yeah, these few once I was standing on Kashmiri Gate waiting for metro. There was this girl behind me, and my best friend is like, she's staring at you.
Now I
I'm
know.
like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? And then she's like, I follow you. I'm like, ठीक है, I'm very happy about it, but what do
अब
I
क्या
say?
बोलूँ? हाँ.
Exactly.
So, how do you define your success?
See, I still believe I'm not successful yet. I still have a lot to do. But I am very proud of it that, I can just earn myself. I don't have to ask them. When you earn, your parents won't deny anything. I mean, if I want to go on a trip, you just need to give me a permission, nothing else. So I'm happy that I'm doing things for myself and as much as I can for my family as well. So I'm just happy where I am right now, but I still feel like there's a lot more to do.
Still, like for a third year student, this is like huge.
Yeah.
Actually
Be-
huge.
Because being a student and earning well enough is itself is a very big achievement, like people would to say. But is there any other sort of achievement you have like got in your life, in your journey till now, which you say like, oh, this is more than the money I earned. This is something like,
When people text me saying that you are my inspiration,
oh,
so I think
that's
that
so sweet.
what have I done that you are taking me as an inspiration? But there are so many people that say that no, I watch your dance videos and then I learn it myself, or you gave me the motivation to just start doing it. So I guess that is a very sweet thing people
I
say.
know. So like basically you're the Nidhi Kumar for them. So we had an amazing conversation so far, but थोड़ा सा spice कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So like let's go for the rapid fire questions.
Sure.
Can we?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Name one dance form or dance style that you love the most.
I guess it would be hip hop.
Nice. If you could collaborate with any dancer or artist, past or present, who would it be?
Nidhi Kumar.
Let's go. Was that one piece of advice you wish you had received when you first started this career?
That don't think about what people will think. Because there will be people who will, put you down or say hurtful things, but you just have to do it for yourself.
Avoid.
Yeah.
One dance trend you're loving right now.
I guess it would be
Rapid
But
fire
then
questions.
that's-
Rapid fire questions.
Answer fast.
the Deadpool trend.
I love you. One song you could dance to, one repeat forever.
I guess it is a Arijit Singh song, Mere Yara something. तो कोई और बोल दो.
मैं हम दोनों ऐसे हो गए क्वेश्चन मार्क हो गए.
यार कौन सा सॉन्ग बोलूँ?
Okay, let's just cut this question.
Favorite post dance snack?
I guess cold coffee.
Nice.
Oh.
If you could have any superpower for dancing, what would it be?
To do any style that I like.
Hey. What most used dance move? अब ये आपको करके दिखाना पड़ेगा.
I guess I don't know the name of it, but I
It's
do
okay, you
the
can
dance
show
move.
it.
If
याद
you're
करना
comfortable, you
पड़ता
can.
है.
मुझे बैठे बैठे ही.
If you're okay with it, then only
मैं
this.
याद कर रही हूँ डांस
कोई नहीं.
ठीक है.
यही तो रैपिड फायर होता है.
रैपिड फायर में सोच लेते हैं.
यार याद नहीं आ रहा था सारा डांस.
मैं होती तो भी.
वो कौन सा ऐसे करके था?
चक धुम धुम बदल.
Cheek the party.
I guess you'll see this dance move, this one in every
Okay,
other reel.
the
So this
Batata
fits
one
with
something,
this
yeah,
fits with
okay.
everything.
Yeah.
That's actually cool.
Okay, so let's go ahead with another segment named as This or That with Ramcom.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a just simple game. You have to choose one thing from two options. Okay, so let's start. Freestyle or choreography?
Freestyle.
Profession you're currently in or any other profession?
Professional currently.
Theme dance routine or impromptu dance?
Impromptu.
Dressed up or relaxed fit?
I guess depends on my mood on that day.
But you have to choose one.
Dressed up.
Okay. Collab with brands or other creators?
Brands.
Paisa.
पैसे इन कपड़े और क्या चाहिए?
Bollywood dance or Western dance?
Bollywood.
Must. Indian.
देसी.
Instagram reels or stories?
Reels.
Great. Solo performance or group dance?
I guess group dance.
Okay. Keep a secret or spill the tea?
Spill the tea.
Let's go.
Yes. Dance battles or dance collaborations?
Dance collaboration.
Why not battles?
Because see, this career I'm in, it's more about collaboration. Dance battles. I mean, I may not be the perfect fit to dance battles. yet.
Risk नहीं.
It's all about collaboration, either with brands or creators. No battle. Okay. Dancing on stage or teaching dance?
Dancing on stage.
Why? You are teaching everyone dance and
Because
you are
I
like
was a part
dancing
of
on
the dance
stage.
society, so dancing on reels and dancing on stage is a very different feeling. So when you dance on stage,
The confidence there.
yeah.
Okay, so short form or long form content?
I guess short form.
Short form. Because this is what is making more money nowadays.
Exactly.
Raw and unfiltered or polished and professional?
Raw and unfiltered.
Great choice. Own your mistakes or cover them up?
Own my mistakes.
Oh,
Are you sure?
Yeah, I mean, I do that now.
करना पड़ेगा.
अब self-aware रहना पड़ता है थोड़ा.
Okay, so I have a question. Like you have choose short format content over long format content. So like if you have like been producing long format content, like tried ever doing this, or like you're completely into short format?
See, pehle when the reels was introduced, so I used to post 1 minute dance videos because that was the only option. But when reels came, see, the long format content do not get the reach as much as reels do, because even if we will scroll on Instagram, जब तक हमें कुछ interesting नहीं दिखता, we just scroll away, and we don't have the patience to just watch a 1 minute video.
Yes, yes.
So I guess that's why short form content.
Regarding the patience, I have also learned one thing about Instagram. Like you cannot ascertain like if a particular audience came to your like profile, they will like being on your profile for a certain time. After a period, they will like move to other profile and a new audience will come on your profile.
Exactly.
So there's like a cycle. You cannot say कि एक time पे आके एक influencer saturate हो जाएगा. वो एक audience के लिए होगा, फिर वो दूसरी audience के लिए नया influencer बन जाता है.
Yeah.
तो वो cycle में रहता है. So
And
that's the thing.
Instagram algorithm तो है ही
हाँ.
अलग.
Changes every day.
I know. And like you said about कि you first started going into reels section, तो इससे पहले TikTok था. So like were you interested there? वहाँ पर try.
See, उस पे I never posted dance videos. Just फालतू cringy बकवास.
मतलब वो thought था ही नहीं.
I used to think कि और भी वीडियो डालूंगी रात तक वायरल, सुबह तक मैं वायरल, but तो नहीं
Okay.
TikTok still functions in that way. Okay, so let's make this podcast more spicy.
पहले तो था ही, अब और spicy.
हाँ,
Sure.
थोड़ा सा देगी मिर्च का तड़का और. Okay, so according to you, name one creator who is underrated and one who is overrated.
Overrated. See, I guess underrated would be, I need to tell big influencer names or anyone.
Whoever you want.
Whoever you want.
Whoever you feel is like underrated right now.
I need to think. I have.
कोई नहीं, उनको भी shout out मिल जाएगा.
Another MOU incoming.
See, there are a lot of fashion influencers, that are like 50 to 60K wali range mein, but their content is top notch. So there are a lot of people who just post dance trends, and they get viral. But there are people who put so much time and effort in editing. I mean, I tried editing and it is not at all easy. It takes a lot of effort. So I guess the fashion influencers, the fashion industry earns a lot definitely with even a small amount of followers. But they do need to get, much more reach than people who are just doing trends these days.
But you have to name one underrated and one overrated.
See, overrated.
किसी को कोई बुरा नहीं लगेगा.
See, I guess mostly Sane is overrated. I mean, see, I know that
We are on
YouTube
same
page.
page.
She has done a lot, but on Instagram she'll just post anything, and that will get so much reach and everything.
Though
Already
we will-
established हो गई वो.
हाँ.
वही बात है.
Yeah, the thing is like I liked her content initially when she like used to put skits and all, but nowadays her content is not that pleasing or not making me to like watch it anymore.
Even
Yeah.
her reels are like बस.
Very random that.
हाँ, and even she writes, हाँ वो खुद लिख देती
She-
है वहाँ पे कि
हाँ.
like बस देने के लिए मैं दे
हाँ.
रही हूँ ऐसा, like she claims it. ठीक है.
Yeah. So another thing, like let's talk about brand collaboration. So our direct question is like, would you prefer to collaborate with an unfamous brand with like a very good amount, or would you prefer to collaborate with your favorite band with a decent amount or a barter collab?
See, I don't really do barter collabs now because ठीक है starting में everybody does it, but barter collabs you don't really get anything. वो कुछ products के लिए you can buy them yourself. So I guess I'll just do with the infamous brand, but a good amount of money.
So now पहले के questions में you said Bollywood, you chose Bollywood over Western. तो अब हम आपको आप पे टेस्ट करेंगे कि आपको कितना डायलॉग पता है बॉलीवुड मूवीज के बारे में.
मुझे गाने पता है,
No, no.
डायलॉग नहीं
Dialogues.
पता.
I mean, you chose Bollywood.
I tried.
Okay, first one. Okay. कभी पे चेक मिलते वक्त तुम्हारे आंखों में आंसू आए हैं?
I have no idea.
Guess. कुछ
I
भी.
do not watch any movies. I just listen to Bollywood
Okay,
songs.
like it was said by Laila from जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Okay, I have never watched that movie.
Okay, second, लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा रिस्क होता है कोई रिस्क नहीं लेना.
Was this from ये जवानी है दीवानी?
No.
No.
ये फ्लॉप जा रहा है हमारा, ये फ्लॉप.
I guess we need to cut this. Okay, so third one is, तुम्हारा प्यार ना हो गया, यूपीएससी का एग्जाम हो गया, 10 साल से दे रहे, क्लियर ही नहीं हो रहा.
ये अभी वाला था क्या वो? कौन सी मूवी? 12th फेल.
Just because UPSC आ गया. I knew it. UPSC
Oh,
आ
God.
गया.
This is no. It is from Ranjana movie.
मैंने देखी नहीं कोई मूवीज में, देखती
It
नहीं
was
मूवीज.
no. This movie was so famous on Instagram because of its last monologue.
यार मैंने देखी नहीं, मैं क्या करूं? मैं मूवीज बिल्कुल नहीं देखती, साल में एक
It
देखती.
seems like you're watching wrong Instagram content. Yeah, because Instagram made Laila Vishnu this famous, so why not?
मैंने देखी नहीं, मैंने सुना बहुत ड्रामेटिक है, मैंने कहा कोई बात
हाँ
नहीं.
कोई बात नहीं.
It's hard.
चले एक easy दे देती हूँ. How's the जोश?
अरे
Please.
पता, विक्की कौशल ने बोला था. कौन सी
It's
movie
not from
थी वो?
Tawa Tawa.
वो तो
इतना
मूवी
तो
भी
पता
नहीं
है.
है.
अरे मैंने मूवी देखी है, मुझे दिमाग में आ रही है, नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. कौन सी मूवी थी यार? अरे कोई वो लड़ाई वड़ाई की थी ना.
हाँ.
यार शिट, मुझे नाम भी नहीं याद आ रहा. कौन सी मूवी थी?
You can do it. You can do it.
ऑलमोस्ट याद आई थी, रुको सोचने दो।
अच्छा, this one.
हो
Okay.
सकता पता है भी क्वेश्चन।
Let's give you the most easiest one.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती सेनोरिटा।
शाहरुख खान ने बोला था।
हाँ।
Very nice.
मूवी सोचती हूँ, मूवी मुझे कौन सी, क्या कभी खुशी कभी गम वो था उसमें।
सुनी था। शायद से ये गैस डायलॉग किसने बोला वही होगा, कहाँ से बोला वो नहीं
दिल
होगा।
वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे।
यस, फाइनली
Finally.
वी डिड इट।
Tell me how it was.
It was great.
It was a dialogue.
It was a dialogue.
It was really a dialogue.
यार लगा कि डायलॉग है।
क्या हमारा वही इंटेंशन था।
Planned work successfully.
ये डायलॉग है ये।
Yes.
मैंने सुना है शायद, बट मुझे नहीं पता किसने बोला है।
Okay.
तो आई मीन इसने जैसा बोला वो साउंड नहीं करा, बट देन हाँ इट वाज जस्ट लाइक दैट।
It was a dialogue, so
Okay, I'm the most famous person in the entire world and I'm still broke.
let me give you a reference. It is one of the Hollywood movie.
I have no idea.
Deadpool वाले fields में ही है, like not Deadpool but then
Around that.
मुझे एक नहीं पता
Characters.
है, एवेंजर्स क्या बोल रहे हैं?
okay, Spider-Man No Way Home उसका था।
Let's go for a last question of the interview. So, Manvi, what type of advice you would like give to new age creators when it is coming on dealing with brands?
With brands, see, even I am not very, professional in everything right now, but I would just say that these days brands just exploit influencers. They'll just give a very less budget and they will expect you to do so much. They will expect so many deliverables. So just know what is your worth, demand for it, and you should not settle कि ठीक है मिल रहा है तो कर लेते हैं, just ना से तो कुछ सही, because that will just that won't increase your brand value. Then अगर तुम एक brand के साथ करते हो, they have contacts of all the brands. So then it is circulated कि भाई ये creator तो इतने में मान जाता है, तो इससे ऊपर इनका मत बढ़ाना. So that is something that you need to keep in mind कि बस मिल रहा है के चक्कर में नहीं, should you know your worth and you should demand for it.
Although people have a very big myth about content creation in social media nowadays, like if you post something, if you post it regularly, you will earn money. Now I don't know exactly like Instagram or YouTube is like giving money on the basis of likes or comments or not, but I know brands work in this place. Okay, so like people are stuck that it is like content or it is like a type of content. So it's like you post dance video. Okay, your videos are very nice, very beautiful. So that's what a brand. That's what attracts a brand, or it is like consistency of someone like posting videos every day
No, I
with
guess-
no like type of attraction over the
Yeah,
profile.
I understand. If there is no niche on your account, the brands won't reach out to you. Because, see, if it is a clothing brand, they will see if you're creating fashion content. The clothing brands also, reach out to like dancers and every other influencers. But if there is an electronic brand, so they will see that how you can just showcase their product so that your audience will engage with it or not. If you're just posting reels, चाहे वो कुछ भी हो, चाहे वो बस you are posting it just for the sake of it, तो brands क्यों reach out करेंगे? Because they know that there is no niche, there is no particular audience. If you are posting fashion, तो उन्हें पता होगा that your followers purchase what you show, तो that उसके according they reach out.
Okay, and if just a question, if you were not in dance, okay, you were not doing this dance and everything, then what else you would be doing right now?
I guess fashion content.
Oh, fashion content.
I mean, I'm still trying to get into that field, but it is
Okay.
very difficult right now because my audience is, they want dance reels, and I cannot expect that मेरी fashion reels भी उतनी blow up करें. But I'm just trying because if I just stick to one niche, then I may not get as many brands that I can get with, you know, a lot of different things on my profile.
What are your views on vlogging right now? Like so many people are doing vlogs. Okay, if you see Saurav Joshi's content, okay, you know whatever content he's like putting on YouTube. Like still, it is like something you would like to say about vlogging people like who are doing vlogging on a very regular basis, and some are like putting an effort to create a good content even they are vlogging. So like, what is your take, and will you start vlogging someday?
See, I have only posted one vlog. I
Oh.
vlog, you know, whenever I go out with my friends, I vlog, but I don't think that I will post it. I just vlog it for the sake of it. Ki bhai, theek hai. I'm just vlogging because I'm a vlogger. I posted only one vlog, but I really want to do it because I guess that YouTube also pays you like good enough money. I guess you can earn more from YouTube than Instagram because
Okay.
YouTube पे you can monetize your content after a certain point, after you hit a certain number of subscribers. But ऐसा Instagram पे नहीं होता. तुम डालते रहो reels, तुम्हें पैसा थोड़ी मिलेगा.
हाँ.
वो भी है.
But वो YouTube पे you can do. So I really wish that I just start very
कोई नहीं,
soon.
अभी तो बहुत टाइम है. बहुत टाइम.
So, do you would you like to, enlighten us with like sort of difference between YouTube and Instagram? Like, how content creation differ from one platform to another?
See, अगर तुम Instagram पे audience देखोगे ना,
Hmm.
you will just see the comments and you will know that Instagram पे बहुत different audience है. You will find those dark comments and everything. But when you will go on YouTube ना, the audience is so sweet. You will hardly get any hate comments. अगर तुम same reel Insta पे डालो, YouTube पे डालो, Insta पे तुम्हें hate मिलेगा चाहे, but YouTube पे everybody will be so sweet to you. And I guess YouTube तो देखो, अब if my grandfather is there, तो वो इंस्टाग्राम पे अकाउंट तो बनाएंगे नहीं. यूट्यूब तो ही कैन जस्ट अब व्हेन यू नो दैट अब तो हर ही, चाहे वो पेरेंट हो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट हो, एवरीबडी इज इनटू सोशल मीडिया नाउ, सो ही कैन जस्ट स्क्रॉल ऑन यूट्यूब. बट इंस्टाग्राम इज स्टिल अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. सो आई गेस यूट्यूब पे यू विल नॉट गेट हेट. देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ स्वीट ऑडियंस एंड एवरीथिंग.
Supportive.
Because more often I say कि YouTube's algorithm is more well trained than Instagram. It does not give you like content out of nowhere, just like
Yeah.
Instagram. Instagram is filled with so many things. It comes with quotes, dance videos,
Everything.
finance, marketing, and it is also difficult for the audience to stay in one tune. And YouTube maintains that. YouTube
Yeah.
makes sure that whatever you are seeing, it's like best in your niche.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to ask one question. What's the best brand you have collaborated with till now?
I guess Bonkers Cornwell. I personally really loved that brand always. I mean, jab bhi when they launch their new collection, I always used to buy it. My brother wears it. And then when when you are getting to collaborate with a brand that you genuinely love, so I guess that was the best.
Sponsorship.
Okay, so if I ask you like from an industry perspective, from your POV, which industry you'd say like is like doing very underrated type of job on Instagram, like in part of content creation?
I guess जो लोग थोड़ी एजुकेशनल वीडियोस बनाते हैं ना, आई मीन इफ यू जेन्युइनली वांट टू लर्न, इट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. बट ऑडियंस इंस्टाग्राम पे अब वो सब चीज़ें नहीं देखते हैं. आई मीन इफ समवन इज कमिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, उनका तो मोटिव ये है कि हमें एंटरटेनमेंट देखना है, वी जस्ट नीड अ ब्रेक. सो द ऑडियंस दैट जेन्युइनली वांट्स टू लर्न, वो उन्हें फॉलो करती है स्टिल. बट आई गेस वो स्टिल काफ़ी अंडररेटेड है. आई मीन यू कैन लर्न अ लॉट, क्योंकि वो आपकी 1 मिनट वीडियो में भी आपको काफ़ी नॉलेज दे देते हैं जितना तुम खुद लोगे बुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग से. सो आई गेस इट इज़ स्टिल अ लिटिल अंडररेटेड देन ऑल द अदर फैशन लाइफस्टाइल.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. Yeah, because consumption is like way too much different. If people are obviously all the time consuming memes and different type of entertainment videos, it is not easy for even for me and you to like watch a certain finance related reel, because it needs concentration.
Exactly.
It needs focus to understand terms. And when have that vibe, it's like so many heavy words. Oh, debt, equity, shares, percentage. Skip.
Or I just save those reels and I never watch them.
Exactly.
The
same
biggest
नहीं है.
nowadays final year students are like saving more reels about oh, this company is opening, this is how interviews are being
अभी
conducted,
CAT भी आ
Wow,
रहा
how
है.
you
process of getting into FMS and all. So yeah, these are like quality content. They are actually quality content in their own niche, but not getting
Just
that
for the
much
time
attention.
being. जब आ रहे हैं तभी
हाँ.
देखने हैं, बाकी कुछ नहीं. Then next reel will be like another dark humor now, and you're sharing this
And
with
you're
your
just
friends.
distracted
Just
again.
just a Samir and a reel. Yeah. So that's it about the interview. Uh, that's it, a chit chat session with you. It's been really great. You being a very lovely with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yes.
And we are hoping that we meet again for
Sure.
another interview maybe.
And with another milestone, you know.
Sure, I really hope.
Hope we can, call you as a speaker in our next session. Okay, wishing you a more continued success. This is it for today.
All
Thank
the
you so
best.
much.
It's cut. जय माता दी.
Finally, it's our first episode of BTS with Ramcom. हम लोग भी अब content creation में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
Nice.
Just to attract brands.
Actually, hello.
Hi guys.
Wait.
What?
Picture तो लेना है.
शेर.
ये शेर. ये बहुत पुराना हो गया.
If it can make people laugh, then why not?
ये खुद अकेला हंसा है.
She was also laughing.
नहीं वो तो like she is bound to.
It was not mentioned in MOU.